Good morning, guys, and Happy New Year! And welcome to January 1, 2026. And today, let's, spin around Cebu. We're one of the early birds today. Because my wife happens to be a doctor, needs to work. Without kudos to those people who worked last night and we're still gonna work. We're gonna work today. Di ba? Lahi sa na trabaho ba mga doctors, mga mall na nagtrabaho sa mall. Kung focus. Mga 2026 na and ngayon tag magsugod ta sa tuig with a trip. Trip by trip. Ano na tong daan sa Cebu? Kumusta na? Sa una pa ni daghan ginagsagbot sa daan mga kanang pabuto ba. Naagod gihapon karon but it's not as grabe. Imagine I own Mango Avenue all by myself. I'm the one driving except kanang motor bro. Imagine nga ni ang traffic ba. Chill lang, muna ghost town, natulog pang mga tao. And hopefully you had a wonderful New Year celebration. May gali ang uwan. So we start with a blessed day. With a blessing, with a rain. May gali ang uwan. Karon pa niabot. Madili katong last night. It would have spoiled the fireworks. Di ba? Di ba katong mga nag-spend of time. Ito mga nindot na lugar like sa tops. So I'm glad na this blessing. Let's start with a shower, with a blessing, a shower of blessings. Diba? And mauna atong explore ang Cebu while at it. We're here. Diba? Atong suruyon ang Cebu. At the first day of the year. Diba? Now sa Cebu. On the first day of January 2021. The first day of 2026. Video. We find ways. Hinahina na nag-drive to savor the city, savor the smell. The smell good. Savor this drive, the white traffic. Alright. And pasensya na natong aning kuan nato na usay maghiwi-hiwi. Ayan mo ni ato kuan. Pit Senior. Reminder that it's almost Pit Senior. But a Pit Senior is a statement so kuan na. Diba na always tamusang pit kang senior santo ninyo. Diba? Na hinaot bulahan tag maayong tuig, maayong panglawas. Maayong mga oportunidad, di ba? Sa uban diha maayong katulog. Bitaw. It's always we had a very challenging 2025 and thankfully we're still here. And our prayers is for us to have continue lang ipadayon nato ang kanindot kinabuhi or panindot sa pagpaningkamot ba ipadayon na to paningkamot ipanayon na to ang atong mga pagserbisyo pag-alagad sa atong mga katapuan kung unsa imong trabaho di ba kung doktor ka alagaan mo yung pasyente kung politiko ka alagahan mo mga katawhan di ba liko na ta dire lain na sang ruta. So we turn left here at our London to have a a different view of things. Diba? So mo ni atong kuan ron drive for 2020 our first or yung first drive na recorded drive here diba pero muliko ko dire tanaw na itong kulon malapit. Oh, so morning. Philippine Christian Gospel School. Then padong ta Skulon and go back to the city. Di ba? Pero morning, mingaw kayo, no? We own Ongkera. So mingaw pa rin dan, but yes, 2026 will be, for me, every year, we expect good start. Hopefully, yes, especially in Cebu, we're always gonna have a festive start since we'll be celebrating Sinulog soon. Kita mga tumbantings kanina, but we will see more, diba? See more buntings, more celebrations in the coming days here in Cebu. Di pa maundang among holiday season because Sinulog is coming up. So uban nag-put down na silang Christmas trees, but sa Cebu we will still have our celebration. Muli ko ta rin sa Kulon to show you sa dagboy sa Kulon, di ba? At this hour, di ba? Kulon Street. We own Kulon right now. Di ba? We own Kulon. Wala pa yung mga tao. So itong himingaw sa Kulon, ano yung nagbuhay sa Kulon nun ba eh? Naghanag namata pero di pa yun daghan kaayo. Di ba? Naagon na yung mga lakaw-lakaw sa daan. Pero kumawa pa ni kaning ilingi o gamay, no, para yung view kana para mas maayo kana way. So Kulon, busy gud kining Kulon pero wala ron, dili busy ron. We're gonna go back nga lang, di ba? Itong drive, right turn na dali. Walay kuan. And we're now in Osmeña Boulevard and we just go head straight to Fuente para to end our trip. So makita na to ang major streets ng Cebu for our happy drive. So kumusta man, hopefully maayra yung kahimtang and maayo yung tuig yung sa mga bus ay magsugod og disgrasya. Di ba go na mi. Kinatagay lang, why mag-una. So money, ang atong drive, first drive of the year. What are your expectations in 2026? Unsa man imong personal goals? Di ba? More about, do you feel lucky or do you feel your life? May akong question. Do you think, depending na mo feel baka or think na will your life be better in 2026 compared to 2025? Diba? That's the question I'm gonna ask you guys. Diba? Unsa yung expectations for the year, and will it, will you wala natin yung year, but will you what will you strive for this year? Di ba na itong question na hopefully you will answer, because it's the start of the year. It's better to know what's what do you expect, what do you want to do in life. Ako wala. I'm pretty sure ako prayers lang yun na hopefully we would be spared from natural calamities, kanang strong na mga bagyo sad, mga linog-linog town, di ba, mga kalisang, but in the end we have to keep the faith lang yapon mga jita. And set great goals, because this year probably is a year that potentially you can achieve great things if you really go for it, strive hard, diba? Kaya wala itong itok anong isukwan ba storya. But well, wala. Thank you so much for watching. Og na Andres Puente. So have a great year ahead. Bye.